everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to delete games on your PlayStation 5 Pro and free up some storage space. So you can do this multiple different ways. If you go to the home screen right here, you can just go to a game and then press options on it and delete it. So here we have like Battlefield 2042. I don't think I'll play this again. And I want to press options on it, and I can go on down to where it says delete and then just go to OK, and then you can delete it from your PS5 Pro. Now another way we can do it is if we go to settings right here, scroll on down to storage, and we can check our storage space. So it looks like I have about 400 gigabytes of free space left right here, and I need to clear up some space in case I want to download another game, or if I get like a 100 gigabyte update in Call of Duty or something like that, which is common. So we can break it down. We can look at the media gallery. I got about 11 gigabytes in there, save data there, and then other. I think that's just for the console UI and stuff. But let's go to games and applications and look through this list and see if there's anything in here I want to delete. So we can go to select all and delete everything, but let's go on down through here. I can see Sea of Thieves, Doom, Quake 2, etc. So let's go ahead and delete one of these games. Like I said, maybe Battlefield is a good choice, so I can select that and just make sure you have a little arrow next to it or a check mark. And then you can see the total on the right side. So I got all these games on here. I just need to go to delete now. So let's go through my list. I don't have that many games on here, just some of these games are massive. So if I look at Call of Duty, for example, let's see how big this one is. 278 gigabytes, oh my gosh. So let's go to delete now, and then go to OK. And this is going to be removed from my PS5 Pro, freeing up more storage space. So make sure you have like 100 gigabytes of free space if you're going to be downloading any kind of games or updates. If you got Warzone or Fortnite on your PlayStation, some of these updates can be quite large, and you might get some sort of error that says no free space available, you can't download it, etc. So just go to storage and just check and see if you got enough space. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.